morning and welcome to a very rainy Peak District this morning. I had a completely different video planned today, but there is absolutely no point taking you there because it was quite high up and the clouds and the rain will leave no visibility whatsoever, so I'm going to save that for another day. So instead I am here in front of Derwent Dam and I'm going to be walking around some reservoirs and seeing what we can see in the rain. I think I'm going to be going around Ladybower and Upper Derwent, so I hope you enjoy this video because it is completely unplanned. I am now walking alongside the Upper Derwent Reservoir here and I've got the Derwent Dam behind me, and this is where they used to practice flying the old Lancaster bombers, because what they used to do is have to practice not only the bouncing bombs across the water but also low-level flying as low as 60 feet close to the water, and the RAF still use this dam today to practice that low-level flying. I think sometimes when plans go wrong, it actually works out well. I'm walking along an area called Ouzelden Clough at the moment, and this little stream here is Ouzelden Brook. It is so nice. It got quite busy walking around the Upper Derwent Reservoir because it's a Sunday, and I came off a little side trail where there's no official path anymore, so I'm kind of just making it up as I go along with my maps, and it is absolutely stunning here and there's nobody about. It is absolutely lovely. On my map it said that if I follow this clough up a little bit there should be a waterfall at the top of it, so I'm going to see if I can find one for you. I think this is the absolute perfect lunch stop, so I thought I would show you what I'm having for my lunch today. I've made two different types of burritos. I've even got them in a little lunch box today. So I'm going to show you what's inside. I'll flip the camera around. In this one I have got a mixture that I made yesterday for our lunches, which is rice, beans, vegetables, sweet corns, all kinds of good stuff in there with garlic, some herbs, and then in this one I have got a load of roasted aubergines, if I can get it open with one hand, roasted aubergines, roasted tomatoes and some pesto. I think this waterfall might be as good as I'm going to get today because there is no track anymore heading up to this clough. It's just all fallen down trees and branches. I'm going to keep going and see how far I can get, but at least there is a little waterfall of sorts. I couldn't resist coming out of the plantation and climbing up to this high point just to experience some wonderful views. It's just starting to rain again slightly now, but oh, it was definitely a bit of a lung buster coming up here, but it was certainly worth it because the views are absolutely lovely. And now I just have to navigate my way back down again. I am back down at the Upper Derwent Valley and oh my goodness, what a beautiful day it has turned out to be. But I've had such a lovely walk. I sometimes think that these off the beaten track walks are sometimes the best, and when you have to adapt your plans a little bit because of the weather, sometimes it turns out extra special, which is what it has done today. It was so lovely going up through the Ouzelden Clough, walking through all the tree plantations and then climbing up to the tops there and having a look out over all the beautiful scenery. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me too, and I will look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Goodbye!